Welcome back to Urbanism Spinning. I'm architect Moksha Bhatia and I make videos in architecture, urbanism and traveling. So today we are going to discuss, is architecture worth it or not in 2025? So let's discuss its pros and cons. Everybody knows architecture is a huge investment. It involves years of study, intense study, and it demands too much time. So many of you have asked me who have just passed 12th standard, or maybe parents have asked me, is it worth doing architecture in 2025? So today we are going to discuss its pros and cons, and I hope you get some clarity after this video. And do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt regarding this. So let's discuss further. So first we are going to discuss its pros. Number 1, unleash your creativity and problem solving skills.
Architecture is the ultimate blend of art and science. If you love designing, sketching, problem solving, and seeing your ideas come to life, this is for you. Architecture school pushes your creative boundaries, teaching you to think critically, innovate, and find elegant solutions to complex challenges. It's just not about drawing buildings, it's about shaping experiences and environments.
Number 2, multiple career options beyond just designing building.
This is a huge one, especially in 2025. While becoming a licensed architect is the traditional path, an architecture degree opens doors to so much more. Your skills in design thinking, visualization, project management, and critical analysis are highly valued in fields like urban planning and development, interior design, landscape architecture, construction management, real estate development, set design for film, TV, product design, architectural software development, and much more. So if you find out direct practice isn't for you, your degree isn't wasted.
Number 3, architecture is all about impactful and tangible work.
As my father always says, there is immense satisfaction in seeing buildings you have helped design become real. You get to contribute to the built environment, shaping communities, and leaving a lasting legacy. From a small home extension to a towering skyscraper, your work literally stands the test of time.
Number 4, architecture is constantly evolving, so it's a lifelong learning process.
Architecture is constantly evolving. New technologies, sustainable materials, and global challenges mean you are always learning something new. If you thrive on intellectual challenges and staying curious, this profession keeps you on your toes.
Number 5, global demand, especially for specialized skills.
With urbanization rapidly expanding globally, particularly in developing economies, the demand for skilled architects remains strong. Specializations like sustainable design, smart city planning, and resilient architecture are particularly sought after worldwide. Your degree can truly be a passport.
Now it's time to discuss architecture and its cons. Number 1, it's too much time consuming. It's like a marathon and not a sprint.
Architecture school is notoriously demanding. Prepare for long hours and all-nighters, especially during criticism periods. Then intense workload, high pressure, the constant push for perfection and innovation. This rigor continues into early career stages. It's a passion-driven field and it will test your commitment.
Number 2, you need significant financial investment.
Tuition fees for architecture programs, especially at top universities, can be very high. Add to that the cost of living, materials for models and drawings, and specialized software. Then another problem we have are the entry-level salaries. While salaries grow with experience, initial pay might not always feel satisfactory with the time and money invested in your education.
Number 3, economic sensitivity.
Economic downturns can sometimes lead to fewer projects and job opportunities. While architects are always needed, the volume of work can fluctuate more than in some other professions.
Number 4, high responsibility and too much stress.
Designing buildings isn't just creative, it carries immense responsibility. You're dealing with safety, budgets, regulations, and client expectations. This can lead to high stress levels and pressure to deliver flawless results.
After knowing pros and cons, you generally need to ask these questions to yourself.
Number 1. Are you genuinely passionate about design and the built environment? Number 2. Are you prepared for the time and financial commitment? Number 3. Are you resilient and adaptable? Number 4. What are your career goals? And number 5. Have you explored the field?
After knowing pros and cons, after asking these questions to yourself, now you definitely know whether you want to do architecture or not. Architecture is a worth it profession, but only for the right person. After knowing all this, after seeing the video, if you still have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments section and let me know whether you are going to do architecture or not. So that's all for today. Thank you for joining Urbanism Spinning. Keep following, keep subscribing. See you back again with another video.